In this tutorial, we're going to show you the screen options in WordPress and how you can use them to your advantage and how they might be the cause of looking for things that aren't there. So we're just going to start in the dashboard and we can see screen options at the top. Let's click on that. Here we can see what it's going to show on the screen. Now for starters, we've just got activity, WordPress news, at a glance and quick draft. Now if you wanted to remove, say, WordPress news, you would simply just click WordPress news in the screen options panel. You might also want to get rid of quick draft, so you can easily get rid of that, and perhaps you'd like to drag your activity over so you can see more in the one screen there. When you're ready to move on, click screen options again to close it, and then let's check out screen options in the post view. For starters, you've got just a way of filtering the columns that are shown. Now most of these are generally very handy to have, but maybe you don't use tags on your website. You can just uncheck that box and it goes straight away. Now it's also important that we look at it on the actual post editor view as well, because in WordPress you actually have excerpts, but at the moment we don't actually see where that is. So we need to scroll back up, click screen options again, and then click the excerpt. And there you can see the excerpt field has appeared. And the same goes for all of these as well. I mean, you can chop and change what you do and don't want there. It really just depends on how you use your website and what you use regularly and what you don't. Now it's basically the same for pages as well, though it's slightly more simplified because pages don't have tags or categories. They're just more of a static content item. Naturally, screen options are available for the page editor, because sometimes you may want to see your revisions or custom fields if your theme uses or supports those, or even the comments or the slug, really. It really just depends what you want to do and how custom you would like to make your website. And naturally, this is also a feature of the comment screen. Again, it's very simple. You can either see the author or in response to. Finally, let's look at plugins. Just click on screen options, and here you can see you only have the description, because it's a very simple page and you only really manage turning plugins on and off from here. But that should give you a basic overview of what WordPress screen options are all about. They're about managing the data that's available to you on a particular page. And as we've explored, you can display more or less data depending on your needs.